Habitat for Humanity strives to create a world where everyone has a decent place to live. This vision is one we share as student engineers, hoping to improve the lives of those around us.
One of the largest challenges of building a home is efficiently enclosing the structure before it can be overly exposed to the elements. When a home is being built with limited resources and volunteer labor, this task becomes even more difficult.
To address these challenges, we created a senior design team, partnering with students from both the engineering design, manufacturing, and management systems, and the civil and construction engineering departments. Our goal is to create a proof of concept for housing prefabrication and resource optimization within Habitat for Humanity.
This includes a frost-protected shallow foundation, prefabricated wall sections, prefabricated roof sections, as well as manufacturing and construction plans. We will be presenting twice, once for each department included in our project. We hope to see you there!